solutions chapter kan enanga concentration terms poimo deuh pathum pali vel kan enang concentration kan ti chuanin solution a soitaila thil tak zong entirnan tui le chini lo chawpawlh taila kha tui le chini chawpawlh ah khanin a tak kan ti chuanin a thlum hle tina ania a tak lo a dal kan ti chuan a thlum lo hle tina ni ta chuan chumi lo ti tak tu chu kha tuya khan kha tui le chini in pola khanin chini kha tam viau tina ni chu a tak kan tia ma se tui le chini in pola khanin chini kha tui ngai to in a tam lo viau ni chuanin a tak lo tin kan soi le mai thina ni chu concentration tia kan soi thin khania concentration term hi molarity ti te mole fraction ti te kan neya minga lar viawa molarity hi ma saberin han an chin taila a definition shima chuanin number of moles of solute dissolved per volume of solution a thu zia chuanin volume of solution ati chuanin solution atina chini tui kan soyang deuh khan chini le tui in pot liter khat lo om ta se kha chini tui liter khata khan chini mol engzat zel tel lang nge ni liter khata ti na ni ta ni chu molarity om zia ni a mol lang zong in soi ngai thung ta kha chini tui liter khata khan chini mol khat nge tel mol ni number of moles chu lo ni ta chia chuan a solution liter khata khan chini engzat zel mol engzat zel tel lang nge ni ti kha molarity ni ta ni molality a ve thung chuanin number of moles of solute thawal ania ma se kan te pui hi ta hena danglam thunga weight of solvent ani ve thung ani kan te na kha number of moles of solute tam le tam lo kan te pui na kha adang lam hret thung molarity a chuanin solution volume chu ti za ta chuan solute mole chu ti za chu tel tin kan soita molality a ve thung chuanin chini le tui lo chawpawlh taila tui chu ti za ta rita chuan chini mole chu ti za zel chu om ti kha molality ni ve thung ani a weight of the solvent mangin chini tam le tam lo kan te thung ta chuanin a volume of solution mangin chini tam le tam lo kha kan te thungang chuwang chuanin molality chu number of moles of solute soina ve ni ma se kan te puya kha molarity a chuanin a volume of solution a kan te molality a chuanin a weight of the solvent a kan te solvent ri zong atangin chini tam le tam lo kha kan te thungani mole fraction chu fraction om zia hrim chu entirnan thil chini a le b lo om dun ta se a hi somnga om se b hi somnga om se a fraction a fraction engzat nge b fraction engzat nge ti kha soi thei thina a fraction chu nge niang kan ti chuanin 50 divided by 50 plus 50 ani chuanin 50 by 100 chu half kha 50 le 50 om chuanin a chu a fraction chu half ani ti chu kan hreveka chu kan chaw thin dana chuanin a divided by a plus b kha half lo ni chiang emo entirnan a hi 20 lo ni thung se b hi 50 ni se a fraction chu engzat nge niang kan ti chuan 20 divided by 20 plus 50 chu 20 by 70 lo nianga a fraction chu 2 by 7 a le b in chaw pola khan a fraction chu engzat nge kan ti chuan 2 by 7 kha a fraction chu lo ni ta ni ti chuanin fraction a reng chuan a fraction chu 2 by 7 lo ni ta a b fraction chu engzat nge ni ve thungang kan ti chuan 50 by 20 plus 50 anianga chu 50 by 70 lo nianga chuan 5 by 7 lo ni ve le chia bok don ani fraction of b chu 5 by 7 fraction of a chu 2 by 7 chuan chu fraction pahnih te chu bel khom tai la engzat nge ron chhuak ang kan ti chuanin 1 fraction bel khom reng reng chu eng tik lai point 1 ani fraction kan te ka chu thil pum khat thil hlom khat sem som ti na khan ni mai a fraction om zia chu kha kan thil sem som kha kan lak khom le vek chuanin pum khat alo ni le 1 alo ni le zel don ti na nia chu wang chuanin fraction reng reng bel khom hi 1 ani zel ani chuan a fraction chu mun sari a thena mun ni ania b fraction chu mun sari a thena 1 kha mun sari a thena mun nga ni ve thunga haka a fraction ti kan soi thin chu ni ta ni a le b lo chaw pol tai la fraction of a to xa tin kan zia kanga chu number of moles of a divided by number of moles of a plus number of moles of b tin kan ziak thayang fraction of b ve thung chu mole fraction of b to number of moles of b divided by number of moles of a plus number of moles of b kha mole fraction ti kan soi chin dan turani a solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% W by W. The density of the solution is 1.20 gram per ml. Calculate molality, molarity and mole fraction of each component. Glucose le tui mangin solution kan siama 10% W by W ti zia chu glucose kha a weight ang zong a chutin 10% ani anga tui kha a weight ang zong a chutin 90% ani don ti na ni chu ti ni chuanin 100 grams anga la pop taila 10 grams ka glucose ani anga 90 grams kha water ani don ti na ni chu ti chuanin molality le mole fraction zon tur ani molality zong saber taila molality chu number of moles of solute n divided by wa weight of water tun case a chuanin kan solvent chu water ani weight of water ti na ni number of moles of glucose ang tin nge kan zon chua theyang weight of glucose to 10 grams ani don kan ti towa chuwang chuanin kha 10 grams kha molar mass of glucose 180 kan divide hian number of moles of glucose kha a hriat thei ni chu 0.0556 alo ni dona mole number of moles of glucose chu kha 10 grams of glucose kha 0.0556 mole inani chu n value a hen kan da thei ta 0.0556 divided by weight of water chu kan soi tong khanin 10% W by W ni chuanin 10 grams glucose 90 grams water kan te chu wangin he 90 grams water ani ve thung don ti na nia weight of solvent chuan he 90 grams hi molality a reng chuan kg a convert zel tur kan te chu wang chuan 90 grams hi kilogram kan convert don chuanin by 1000 ti nga ya in chuan a chungla maron chok chuan into 1000 ani don ti na ni hei hi kan multiply a kan divide chuan a value ron chhuak tur chu 0.618 molar emo 0.618 mole per kg of water ti na ni molar chu mole per kg chuanin molarity kan en vele chinang molarity m chu number of moles of solute n by volume of solution kan tia v mase kan solution hi a volume tak chu kan hre thei lo a weight chu hriat theia weight of solution chu hriat the chan chu 10 grams glucose le 90 grams water ani wangin a weight of solution chu 100 grams ani mai don ti na nia mase a volume tak kha engtinia kan zonang hela hi density miron pe 1.20 gram per ml ti miron pe a chu wangin density chu formula tang chuanin mass by volume mass of solution by volume of solution ani dona density chu 1.20 gram per ml ani chuan mass of solution chu 100 grams kan ti to kha achan chu 10 grams glucose 90 grams water ani chu wang chu 100 grams of solution ti na ni chuan volume chu v is equal to 100 grams by 1.20 gram per ml ania nga hemi hi kan divide chuan 83.3 ml ron chuak dawn ani volume of solution chu 83.3 ml lo nia ani chuan number of moles of glucose chu a hmain kan chok chuak to a chuwang chuanin zon kherangai lo a 10 by 180 mangkhan kan zong chuak to a kha 0.0556 ania divided by ml 83.3 ml ania chuan molarity ya chuanin hi liter per liter zel ani wangin he liter a convert angai chuwang chuan 0.0556 divided by 83.3 divided by 1000 ta chu chunglama ron chho chuan ta hen omang hi kan multiply kan divide a answer tu chu 0.667 molar solution mole per liter tinani molarity chu hi a molarity of the glucose solution tu chu ni mole fraction ve thung han en taila mole fraction om je chu glucose le tui in cho polania glucose le water solution ania glucose kha mole engzat nge oma chuan water kha mole engzat nge oma a fraction ang zong in engtine kan dang ti kha min zo chu ni da ni mole fraction zon dana kha chuanin x mole fraction of glucose ni ta se is equal to number of moles of glucose divided by number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of water ani hei a chaw dan tur ani ti chuanin 10 grams of glucose chu a hma khan kan zong chuak to thowa number of moles of glucose chu 10 grams of glucose by molar mass of glucose 180 kha 0.0556 mole kan ti khania number of moles of glucose chu kan thresa to shima number of moles of water in tinia kan zon ve thungang water kha number of moles of water ani chuanin 90 grams ania kan water nei shima kha a molar mass ve thung chu water chu 18 ani khoi tring ni 18 na ron chuak kan ti chuan H2O chu hydrogen hi 1 ania hydrogen dang le po 1 ania oxygen chu 16 ania vain 18 chu wangin a molar mass of water kha 18 ani a weight of water kha molar mass of water kan divide khan number of moles of water ron chuak thei 5 moles ti na ni chu ti ni chuan mole fraction of glucose tur chu number of moles of glucose 0.0556 divided by number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of water chu 0.0556 plus 5 ani dona chu wangin 5.0556 ti nani chuan hi kan divide chuan 0.011 hi mole fraction of glucose chu ni ti chuanin mole fraction of water ve thung intine kan zonang x of water ti taila number of moles of water divided by number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of water ni dona number of moles of water chu 5 ani ti kan hresa to a chuan number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of water chu 5.0556 ti ha kan ni chin loka kan chut to boka chuan hei kan divide chuan 0.989 hi mole fraction of water le mole fraction of glucose tur chu ni concentration term dang normality la om ve le normality hi chu molarity ne na in mai deuh hleka ta chuanin molarity le molality ati chu number of moles of solute in kan soi thina ma se normality ve thung chu number of gram equivalents of solute ani ve thung ani chuan enge gram equivalents of solute chu kan ti chuan gram equivalents chu mass of solute divided by equivalent mass kha gram equivalents dia kan soi chu nia chuan enge equivalent mass po chu equivalent mass kan ti chu molar mass by basicity mole khat ri zong entinan sugar ani point sugar molar mass khani maya glucose ani point glucose molar mass khani maya em chuan na acid te antinan H2SO4 te lo ni mai thei HCl te polo ni mai thei kha an molar mass a piang khatai kan dang chuan basicity kan ti vele thung chu antinan H2SO4 tan chuanin basicity chu 2 ani achan chu H2SO4 chuanin hydrogen H+ pani pe chuak thei basicity kha 2 kan tia HCl ve thunga chuanin hydrogen pakhat pe chuak chi ne basicity kha 1 ti kan soi ve thunga chuan he equivalent mass chu molar mass by basicity ni chuan he molar mass by basicity hi ta hian han da taila molar mass by basicity ti na lo ni dona chuan basicity chu chunga ron chho theya mass of solute by molar mass into basicity ti na ni mass of solute by molar mass chu number of moles of solute ti na ni ani chuanin gram equivalence to number of moles of solute into basicity ti na ni chuan ta hianin hemi pumpui kha number of moles of solute into basicity kha ta hian handa chho vele taila gram equivalence a hian number of moles of solute into basicity kha ron kal vele don ni chuan number of moles of solute by volume of solution chu molarity kha lo ni vele ta chu ti ni chuanin normality chu molarity into basicity ti na mai ni chu wang chuanin normality le molarity kha in hnaya molarity hriat chuan a basicity hriat thei bok chuan khami atang ringot khan normality kha all sam te na zon chhuat thei ti na ni Henry's law mass of gas dissolved per unit volume of the solvent at a given temperature is proportional to the pressure of the gas in equilibrium with the solution mass is directly proportional to P atia omje chu solvent a hian tui kherlo po solvent hrim a hian gas a in dissolve ve the ni chu gas dissolve kha atam le tamlo chu emo tun case a chunin mass ang join kan soya kha gas kan dissolve zukin dissolve zat ri zong chu kha gas ron nek tu pressure san le san lo khan in khata ni ti ani gas khan na taka pressure ina a nek chuan kha solvent ta khan gas tam tak a dissolve thei don ti na nia chuan kha gas mass kha gas in dissolve ta mass kha directly proportional to the pressure ati ta ni chu Henry's law chu ni maya or ti hian soi taila a mole fraction ang zong in mole fraction of the gas in the solution is proportional to the partial pressure of gas in the solution ati ni omzia chu tuna chuanin mass ang zong ni loin mole fraction ang zong in a soi ve thunga kha gas solvent chunga zukin dissolve kha a mole fraction san le san lo tu chu ati ni mole fraction chu kan soi fia to a mole gas kha antinan mole ni zukin dissolve ta se solvent kha mole ni lo ni ve bok ta se a mole fraction chu half tinani gas kha chuan a solvent po kha half ve thoni tinani mole fraction chu kan soi fia vek to a kha mole fraction san le san lo chu partial pressure of the gas in the solution kha gas solution a gas partial pressure a khan san le san lo a khan ain ngatani partial pressure of the gas san chuan mole fraction of gas in the solution kha atam mai don ti na ni partial pressure chu kan la soi fia thawanga chuan mole fraction chu x kan ti to a directly proportional to p x is equal to k dash p he chu proportionality constant khan ni maya chuan in p is equal to KHX hey chu kan inverse log ti na ni KH chu 1 by K dash ni ta chuan hey chu K dash ani 1 by K dash ani chi chuan in KH alo ni theanga chu KH kha x lama va phei don ti na nia chuan KHX is equal to P kan lo nei ta or KH chu P by x alo ni ta ni KH kan ti tak hi Henry's constant kan ti kha ni ta chuan Henry's constant hi kan en chuan he KH value hi a san le san lo chu heta tang hian han taila P pressure of the gas a sana mole fraction of the gas a niam si chuan pressure of the gas kha partial pressure of the gas kha liquid solvent surface chunga gas pressure kha a san viawa ma se a chunga solvent chunga mole fraction of the gas kha san le si lo chuan p a sanga x a sang lo ani chuanin kh value hi a sang mai don ti na ne chan chu kh chu p by x ani mi awangin p a sana x a san si lo chuan kh a sang don ti na nia chumi om zia chu kha solvent chunga partial pressure of the gas kha sang lu tu ma se a chunga in dissolve kha tlem si ani chuanin a gas kha a soluble thalo ti na ni a solubility niam ti na ni chu wangin high kh ani chuanin low solubility ti na ni emo etinan p hi a sang vak lo ma se x hi sang hle si om zia chu partial pressure of the gas kha solvent chung vela partial pressure of the gas kha sang mi a si lo ma se a chhuwa khanin mole fraction of the gas kha sang vio si ni chuan p by x a hian tereuh te chhuak anga kh value kha niam ti na nia kh value niam chuanin kha gas kha solvent ta khan a soluble hle ti na entir vele thungani higher the value of kh lower is the solubility of the gas in the solvent kh value san chuanin solubility niam chumi inverse tia chu lower the value of kh value niam viau reng chuanin kha gas kha tui chunga khan a soluble hle ti na ni ve thung don ani chu kh increases with increase in temperature a san chuan kh value a sang zelang ti na ni om zia chuanin kh value a san chuan solubility niam kan tia so temperature a san kha chuanin gas tui chunga solvent chunga zukin dissolve tur kha temperature a san chuan aron so chuak thina chuwang chuanin kh value hi sang mai thina ni chuwang chuanin temperature a san chuanin kh value a sang if N2 gas is bubbled through water at 293 Kelvin, how many millimoles of N2 gas would dissolve in 1 liter of water? Assume that N2 exerts a partial pressure of 0.987 bar. Kh Henry constant for N2 at 293 Kelvin is 76.48 kilobar. Tuya khan N2 gas ha kan zuk bubble lu tani. Ti chuanin kha N2 gas kha 2 liter khada engza da tamnge dissolve theyang atiani chuan N2 kha a partial pressure chu 0.987 bar ni se atia chuanin Henry constant for N2 at 293 Kelvin chu 76.48 kilobar ni se ati bokani chuanin mol engzat nge N2 kha tui chunga khanin zukin dissolve theyang ti khamin zona chu ni ta ni number of moles of N2 zona ngai number of moles of N2 zona ngai chuanin for tiang problem hian in formula big pon nei chuang lo chumi formula chu man tur ti khom chuang lo wa kan thil hriat to sa kan ngai to le ta hei het mi ka man hian a chuak thei don ani hi a chan chu question a chumi khami chumin pe a ni chuanin hemi hi wa zon chu thei don ani hi ti khangai tu chop ve ngai ni ta chuanin he formula hi ka mang thei ti ka lo hreta mole fraction of N2 chu number of moles of N2 divided by number of moles of N2 plus number of moles of water ani maya H2O ni maya hemi formula mang hian ka zong chuak thei don ti kha ka hrian ni enge chan kan ti chuanin hi zon chu atur ania 1 liter of water ati wangin number of moles of water chu ka zong chuak thei don ngei maya chuanin mole fraction of N2 hi ka zong thei bok engtin nge ka zon thei kan ti chuanin Henry's law tang khan he KH value min pe boxia chuanin partial pressure of N2 hi min pe boxia chuwang chuanin mole fraction of N2 hi zon theitlat chuwang chuanin x N2 chu partial pressure of N2 divided by KH ti kha kan chin khan Henry's law tang khan kan hmu to ni chuwang chuanin mole fraction of N2 chu engtin kan zonang partial pressure of N2 chu 0.987 bar ania chuan KH chu 76.48 kilobar ani hi bar in om sia chuwang chuanin hei poi bar in kan da veang chu 77640 bar ti na ni chuan hei hi kan divide chuan engeron chuakang 1.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole fraction of N2 chu 1.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 hi aron ni ta ni he value tur hi chuan hei zong turin min du tak khalo ni ta a chuan hei hi number of moles of water hi engtin he kan zonang kan ti chuanin 1 liter of water chu chu hi mai number of moles of engpo hi a weight by molar mass hian a zon thei kan ti to kha chuwang chuanin a weight chu 1 liter of water chu 1 kg of water ti na nia chuwangin weight of water chu 1 kg ti na ni chu 1000 grams chuan molar mass of water chu 18 grams alo ni boka hei chu molar mass of water ani chuanin mass of 1 mole of water ti na nia 1 mole of water ri zong ka chu 18 grams ani chuan hei hi kan divide chuan 55.5 mole ron chuakang chuwangin 1 liter of water emo 1 kg of water a hianin 55.5 mole om ti na ni chuwang chuanin NH2O value ka hle ta phot chuan he number of moles of N2 hi chu kan neglect thei ni enge chan kan ti chuanin number of moles of water laka hian number of moles of nitrogen hi a tlem lut tuka chuwang chuanin hi neglect thei chuwangin hemi telmi alo hianin hemi hi ringot thika zong chuak don ti na ni chu helai bi ka hi chuanin ate ta wangin bel khom khan omzia nei phadon chuang lo chuwang chuan hemi tel lo hian kan chokang x N2 chu 1.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 and yeah is equal to number of moles of N2 divided by 55.5 mole ti na ni chu by number of moles of N2 chu hei ka cross multiply chuan engeron chuakang 7.16 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole aron chuak ta a chuan hei hi millimole kan da don chuan 7.16 into 10 to the power minus 1 millimole kha millimole da tur chu ni maya millimole chu ron ti kherlo se 7.16 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole kha ni maya hei number of moles of N2 dissolved in which is dissolved in 1 liter of water chu lo ni ta ni